Good morning, students. Let us start the new lesson HCF and LCM. As we know, HCF means highest common factor, LCM means least common multiple. Let us see about the prime and composite numbers. What are prime factors of a number? The factors of a number that are prime numbers are called prime factors. For example, factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Means 1, 2, 3, 6 are completely divisible by 6. So, we can say the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Let us start exercise number 5.1. Here we have to find the prime factors using factor tree method. First question we are having 64. How to find the factors using factor tree method? Take 64 and write in this manner. We have to find whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. Here 64 is divisible by 2, therefore we can split the factors, write 64 as a 2 into 32. 2 is a prime number, again 32 is composite number. Here we have to find the factors of 32. So 32 you can write 2 into 16. Since 2 is divisible by 32, therefore the factors of 32 are 2 into 16. Here 2 is prime number, this 2 is prime number. Now again 16 we will split 2 into 8. Again 2 is divisible by 8, 8 we can split 2 into 4 and 4 we will get 2 into 2. In this manner we have got 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. These all are the prime factors of a number. So, we can say that the factors of 64 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here we have to do, once getting the factors, you have to check. After multiplying this all 2, we should get 64 and these all numbers should be prime numbers. So, here we have got the answer. Prime factorization of 64 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Let us see another example 72. Again you have to write in this manner because we have to use here factor tree method. First of all you have to write 72. Again 2 is divisible by 72. 72 is divisible by 2. So, 2, if you can divide and see if we are getting confusion, 2, 72, 2 3s are 6, here left 1, right here 2, 2 6s are 12, here we got 0. So, we can say that this 72 is divisible by 2, therefore, instead of 72 we can write 2 into 36. Since we got quotient 36, so we have written 2 into 36. Again 2 is a prime number and this instead of 36 you can do 36 is equal to 2 into 18. Since 36 is a even number, it is divisible by 2. So, 36, again if you are getting confusion, you divide and see 36 divided by 2, you will get 2 into 18. Again 18 you can write 2 into 9, but since 9 is not divisible by 2, so see whether it is divisible by 3. So, 3 3s are 9, 9 is divisible by 3, therefore, instead of 9 you can write 3 into 3. Now, in this manner we got the prime factorization of 72. The first step we got 2 into 36, again 2 into 18, then we got 2 into 9, 3 into 3. So, the factors of 72 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. The next question is 96. Now children, purposely I did this sum in different manner. I have not taken 2 into 48 and so on. First I have taken 8 12s because I know 8 12s are 96. Suppose I want to write in this manner, we can write in this manner also. 8 into 12 is 8 into 12 is 96. Therefore, suppose we have written 8 into 12 96, no problem. Now this 8 again, because 8 and 12 both are a composite number, we can find the prime factors of these both the numbers. So 8 you can write 4 into 2, this 2 is prime number. So 4 again we can multiply 2 into 2. Now this 2, this 2, this 2 we got as a prime number of this. Now about 12, 12 we can split in 3 into 4. So again 3 is a prime number, again 4 can be splitted into 2 into 2. In this manner, all these 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2 are the prime factors. Therefore, the factors of 96 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. These all numbers we have to multiply, and after multiplying these numbers, the multiplication of this number is 96. Two things we have to keep in mind: all the factors should be prime, and other thing, multiplication should be 96. Hope you got, children. Let us move towards the next example. The next example is 56. 56 we can split into 2 into 28. As usual in the first previous sums we have seen 2 into 20 you can do 7 into 8 as you wish. So here 2 is prime number, 28 is divisible by 2, so 2 into 14, again 14 we can write 2 into 7. Now you can maybe observe that these 2, this 2, this 2 and this 7 all are the prime factors. Therefore the factors of 56 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So if you will multiply it and see the multiplication, we will get 56, and all numbers should be prime numbers. Hope you understood clearly. Let us see the next question. Now the last question is 152. Now see whether 152 is divisible by 2 in an even number. As in one's place there is a even number, therefore we can say that it is divisible by 2. But suppose we are getting confusion to find the factor, so you divide it by 2. 2, 152. 2 7s are 14. Here 1 left, 2. 2 6s are 12. So here we can write, instead of 152, you can write here 2 into 76. This is the first step. Again, since 76 is even number, so as you know that 76 is divisible by 2. So again you divide 2 by 76 and find the quotient. Here if you are getting confusion, simple division you do like this way. But if no confusion is there, direct 76 divided by 2, if orally you can do, or you can find the calculation. 76 divided by 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 left, 2 8s are 16. Here we got 2 into 38. So instead of 76 we have written 2 into 38. Again 38 can be slitted 2 into 19. Now children, 19 is a prime number. So here all the numbers we got as a prime number. So here you see 152 is equal to 2 into 76 you got. 76 is equal to 2 into 38 we got. Then again 38 has been splitted 2 into 19. So the prime factors of 152 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 19. So our answer is the prime factor of 152 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 19. Hope you understood.